Once again, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop and my video series on great gift items for someone that needs some basic tools. The holiday season's upon us. There's not too many days left between now and Christmas, so if you're looking to get something for somebody and it may be tool related, and stick around, and I'm just talking about some very basic good tools that really everybody should have. If you haven't seen my earlier videos, I've been releasing one every day for the past several days now. We got a few days ahead of us to keep going. So check those out and then come back tomorrow in case today's video is not a tool you're interested in, or it's a tool that you or someone you know you plan on buying something for already has. And I'll have some other suggestions for you coming up. So today is a very versatile tool, and I'm only going to show you a part of it because I'm actually in my dad's shop still, like I was for yesterday's video, and I don't have my impact driver with me, but it's a battery operated drill / impact drivers. These things are just so valuable. Now I will say, this is Black & Decker, definitely not top of the line. It's a good one. It's, for a homeowner, this would be great. I prefer DeWalt set, which is a great set. I love them. They're a little bit higher price, but they're a darn good quality. And when you charge the batteries up, they just last forever. Even if you don't use it and you go back a month later, the battery's still where you left it. It's not dead, it's just sitting there. But these things are invaluable. I do like the impact driver one more. I'll put a link for those down in the description. Nothing beats a corded drill for the power, and of course drilling large holes if you're trying to do like a big hole saw or something like that. But for the general homeowner, a cordless power drill will handle almost anything that you need to do. And there's all kinds of options out there. This here is just a Black & Decker. Makita makes them, Milwaukee, DeWalt, as I mentioned. But you can use these so much. You can put different bits in here for drilling, for putting fasteners in if you're trying to hang something on the wall or a shelf, all kinds of things. Right now it just has a simple drill bit in it. But a couple things I would say, if you're going to get one with a lithium battery. They last much longer. They have more power, in my opinion, and they retain their power right till the end. They don't get weak as the battery drains. They work great up until the last little bit, and then they're dead. You have the adjustment here of if you want to set it to not force a screw in too far. You have different settings that will allow it to see how it won't. Like if you didn't want to force a bit in, it has some power, but you can easily grab it and stop it. And the higher I put that number, the harder it is to stop it. So that will determine how much you're going to force that screw into your work. You typically do not use that setting for drilling because you want full power for drilling. It's really designed for putting screws in, and you don't want to over-sink them into the wood. And then if you want to drill, you can see it actually has a drill bit design on there, and you would not be able to stop it. It's just full bore power. So yeah, I mean, a cordless drill really is a must-have. You don't need a giant thing, just something simple. I highly recommend it. I didn't use one of these for the longest time, and then one day I think I borrowed one from Dad years and years ago, and I gave it back. And then a few years after that, I went out and bought a DeWalt set, and I use the darn thing all the time. If you watch my other channel, Life the Wild Ride, where we're converting a school bus into a tiny home, I mean, you'll see that thing in many videos, drilling holes, drilling the pocket holes and all that type stuff, and removing a lot of the screws in the bus. I just use it all the time. If you're looking for a gift for someone this holiday season, or any time of the year, and they don't have one of these, this is a great addition to their toolbox, or yours. So click on the links down in the description, check them out. Well, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment. Come back often for more videos. Right now we're releasing about 20 videos in a row each day leading up to the holidays here, to give you some ideas for that someone in your life that may need some tools. And other than that, I do a video a week, a lot of how-to videos and fixing things and stuff like that. So yeah, take a look at the other videos we got coming out. Have a great day. Thanks for swinging by, and we'll see you in the next video.